Priyadarshani Pradhan, Assistant Professor, IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus. Today we are going to explore the topic Strategic Human Resource Planning, the most important topic in modern HRM. While discussing the topic, we will be explore the step-by-step planning process, the tools, key HR initiatives. Along with that, we will highlight the role of technology and, of course, address the challenges in implementation. So before moving further, we need to know what is strategic HR planning. So strategic HR planning is aligned with the HR practice of the organization. It aligns with the long-term vision and mission of the organization. It always ensures the right people in the right job with the right skill at the right time. So if we properly define what is strategic HR planning, then we can define that it is a process that identifies current and future human resource needs to achieve the organization goal. If we talk about the importance of HR planning, what is the importance that we will going to know while discussing about the strategic HR planning? First, it definitely aligns the HR goals with the business strategies. It identifies what is the future talent needs in the organization. It supports the succession planning. Succession planning is a process to create a future leaders. It enhances the workforce productivity, efficiency and performance of the employee in the organization. What are the key objectives of HR planning? First, it identifies the skill gaps. That means what is the skill required in the market and what skills we have in the organization. That is, in that way we can identify what is the skill gap in the organization. According to skill gap, we develop the talent acquisition and retention planning and prepare the workforce changes. If retirement is there, then definitely we work on the talent acquisition, and if expansion is there, we work on the retention and the recruitment, and as well in the training and development of the current HR people or the employee in the organizations. So what are the steps that involve in the strategic HR planning? There are majorly the 5 steps involved in the HR planning. First, assessing the current HR capacity, where the HR assess what are the current HR or human resource present in the organization. Then the forecast the human resource needs. Then define or identify the gap between the current and the forecast. As per the gap, to develop HR strategies that help to fulfill the bridge between the current and the forecast. Then obviously to implement of the HR strategy and timely evaluation of the HR strategies by collecting the feedback. Environmental scanning. What is environmental scanning? Obviously, to analyze or to examine the environment is the most important part while to develop a strategic human resource planning. First, to examine the internal and external factors. So internal factors are workforce demography, skill inventory, etc. And external are market trends, technology, labor law, what are the new labor law that is implemented in the market or in the country, and the new technology or tools that has been recently introduced in the market. It helps to identify the opportunities, where the opportunities lie, where the organization can grow, and the area of threat where the organization need to work. So, to forecast demand and supply, there are various techniques available in the market, but the most appropriate techniques are trend analysis, managerial judgment, Delphi technique, and ratio analysis. The most important part or work of a HR in strategic HR planning is to balance the supply and demand, as it is the crucial part for the organizational success and obviously the strategic plan success. So the balancing between the supply and demand is the most important work HR do. The gap analysis, how HR analyze the workforce gap analysis. It compares the current human resource capabilities with the future requirement. Then it identifies if it is shortage or a surplus. If it is shortage, then definitely they work on the recruitment and talent acquisition. If there is a surplus, then obviously it works in the restructuring plan or reorganization of the company or the organization. And to upskill or reskill the HRs or the human resource or the workforce, training is the most important part. So training is the most important aspects while designing a HR strategy. So what are the various HR initiatives, or I can say what are the various strategic HR initiatives there are in the market? First, there is talent acquisition strategies, leadership development program, employee engagement initiatives, diversity and inclusion effort, succession planning. So succession planning is the important part or work of a HR where future leaders are created. Diversity in inclusion process, HR makes all the workforce they work the part of the organization. Through various employee engagement initiatives, the motivation and the productivity of the workforce increases. Talent acquisition strategies helps to identify the right skill at the right time at the right position. Leadership program definitely helps our leaders to make the organization a number one organization in the market. Let's talk about the role of technology in the HR planning. Nowadays, various HR tools or artificial intelligence tools entered into the market. First, the use of HR analytics and HRIS definitely helps the HR to identify the strength and weakness of the workforce and rearrange them accordingly. Predictive model that is run through it is a AI tools that helps the HR to plan the workforce or identify the need of workforce. AI in recruitment and performance tracking, that is through the ATS, is a boon for the human resource managers. It enhances the accuracy and decision making because the data shows the metrics and then they identify the what are the area of challenges or what are the area of threats or the area of improvement. So it helps the HR to enhance the accuracy and decision making process. With lots of positive impact of strategic HR planning, there are challenges also. First, definitely due to the rapid technological change, every day a new technology enters into the market and it creates a hurdle for the HR to do a strategic planning for the organization. Evolving workforce expectation, as in organization there are mostly 3 to 4 generations are working. Every generation is having different demand in the organization. So while developing a strategic planning, HR needs to take into consideration the workforce expectations. Uncertain economic condition, obviously, due to the unrest in the political situations, there is uncertain in economic condition. New laws introduced suddenly, new tariffs introduced suddenly. So because of that, the strategic planning hamper. And the most important one is resistance to change. As we as a human already accustomed to perform a duty in a certain way, when there is a change, we definitely try not to accept the change and pose resistance to that change. And that change or that resistance is creating problem for a HR to create a strategic or to develop a strategic HR planning for the organizational success. So in conclusion, we can say that strategic HR planning is a proactive approach to manage a talent. It should not be a reactive approach. Proactive means it should be planned ahead of the changes. It supports organizational agility and helps in the long-term success. It requires the continuous monitoring and adaptation, because while implementing a change in the organization, if you don't monitor it regularly, you will not be able to find the gap, or you will not be able to know if the strategy is working or not. If the strategy is working well, then being a HR, you need to work on to adapt this change into the human resource those are working in the organizations. So there is a famous proverb like failing to plan is planning to fail. So with this note, I conclude the strategic HR planning is the most important part in the modern HR. Being a HR, you need to know what is strategic HR planning.